Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You immediately confirm the strike specifics in YouTube Studio so you know what to address. Open content and find the flagged video, note the exact policy cited and the timecode where the issue appears. Once done, collect your channel info, video ID, and any context like licenses or permissions. This saves time when disputing. Make sure to screenshot the notice and the original upload metadata. These preparatory facts are the foundation for a targeted appeal or removal request. Now you craft a precise appeal that explains how your content complies with YouTube policies. Start with a clear opening sentence stating the action you want, review or reinstatement. Then, step through factual points, source of footage, permission status, or fair use factors, and reference exact timecodes. Attach supporting files like licenses, transcripts, or correspondence. Once your evidence is organized, paste it into the appeal form, keep tone professional, and avoid emotional language, so reviewers focus on the legal and contextual facts. Submit the appeal and immediately save the confirmation and any case ID so you can track progress. Once submitted, monitor YouTube Studio and your email daily. Decisions often arrive within a few days but may take longer. If the strike is removed, verify restoration and update affected workflows. If denied, evaluate next steps, edit or reupload removing the issue, request manual review via creator support, or seek legal counsel for copyright counter notice. Choose based on the strike.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.